maybe they gave me an S23 Plus case for my S23 Ultra, because I don't remember getting all this. Guys, I just got my order from Temu. Yes, and I'm praying right here, let me not be Temu. God, I beg. You know, I have been seeing a lot of videos online, you know, people talking about what I ordered versus what I got. You know, you were getting, you know, inferior quality to what you were expecting from Temu. And I wanted to also try it out to see if it is going to be the same thing. And not only that, I have been looking for a triple phone holder everywhere and I saw it only on Temu. So I decided to give it a try. Guys, today we will be unwrapping this and checking if truly Temu gives you what you really order, or it is the same thing as being Temu. Yes. So I got, like I said, the triple phone holder. I got tripod stand. I got case or pouch for my phone and lots more. Yes. So I'm really hoping and praying that this is a very good quality, because I spent a lot on this. Yes. Well, before I unwrap this, so you can see, it took Temu around 18 days for this package to arrive right here. Yes, around 18 days. Okay, and I'm going to say it was quite fast, because I was thinking around maybe over 30 days, but 18 days is quite fast. But what shocked me was when I was called to get my order, guess which company brought it for me?
Sorry for the laugh.
Glovo. Yes. Like, it was even a guy, not even those Glovo on bike or bicycle. The guy was trekking. Like, I thought Glovo was just mainly for food. I didn't know they do all this kind of, you know, delivery stuff of a thing, right? And one thing I noticed when I was getting my order from the Glovo guy, they didn't ask for any code like Jumia whenever I order from Jumia. So I think that is a bad sign from Temu, because come on, what if someone, you know, went outside at that point in time and claimed they were me, would have gotten my package, and it is not going to be funny, because I was not the one that got it, right? Yeah, so Temu, you guys should try and, you know, up your game in that aspect in terms of security, so people's package won't be stolen. And if you've ordered from Temu before, let me know if this was the same experience, or which logistic company, you know, brought your own Temu package for you. Let me know. And guys, do not forget, as I'm about to unwrap this thing for you, to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to the channel, smash on the bell icon so that you do not get to miss any of my tech videos right here on my channels. Okay, so where do we start? Where do we start? All right, I have got my opening tool here. Let me just do this carefully so that I can see what is inside. My heart is beating very fast. Oh my God, I beg. Oh. Wow, as you can see, this is everything right here. What did I even order that is this much? I cannot really remember, but we're going to see this together. Wow. Okay, so let us start with this. This right here is the tripod stand, and from the feel, I won't lie to you guys, this is feeling legit. It's quite heavy, like my other tripod I have, where I'm holding my camera over there, holding my lights and the rest of them, is feeling quite heavy. Yes, so I think I will not be getting Temu today.
Papa, thank you, my love.
Wow. So this is the very first one. All right, this is looking very, very solid. I can tell you this. This is looking very, very solid, guys. I'm very, very happy about this, because, oh, right. So this is a +1 for me. All right, so I have to keep this aside. Then the next one here is multi-function charging stand, right? Mostly all this wireless stuff. Okay, so let me just bring out everything. I don't know what this is. I don't even know what this is. I know I just saw it. I just saw the ad and I kind of liked it. But after, you know, this point, I have to go and check out in the video what I ordered this for. This is my knife sharpener over here. Yes, because in my house, I don't know where to sharpen my knife, and I can't be going to the markets, let's say every weekend to go meet those, people that sharpen knife over there. So I got this, and it's also looking quite legit because I've seen people use this before online, and it's very cool. So all these products I am seeing right here, they are looking very strong. Now, this is one part of the tri-phone holder. Yes, this is just one part of it. I'm looking for, I think there should be more. I don't know. I thought the video I watched, they were to add more things to this, not just this, because I bought a tripod for this. Sorry, monopod. It's called a monopod. Just one stand. My bad. And I bought this for this. Okay, but I can't find the hook for the 3 phones if I want to like make a review, right? My channel here, I talk about gadgets. I review gadgets together. You can see on the screen, iPhone, Samsung, even MacBooks and everything surrounding your gadget. So that was one reason why I bought this, in case I want to do like a camera comparison between iPhone, Samsung, and let's say Google Pixel. I can just put the 3 phones together and make my review ASAP. Yes, to make it easier and make it better. Yes. So let's see what this is. So the 3 things I brought out, they are very solid, which I'm very happy about. Yes. So let me see what this is. Sorry that my table looks messy. I just want you guys to see everything as I am unboxing it, so you can be part of this unboxing together and me telling you guys what I feel of the quality. Oh, this right here is cufflinks. Yes. And guys, I have gotten cufflinks before, like in Nigeria here, and compared to that, this is very solid. I won't lie to you. Come on, this cufflinks is very solid, and I got different colors, like silver, gold, black. Come on, this is very beautiful. I love the design, even the packaging, and this did not even cost so much compared to if I was to go to the market and get it, or from our normal online vendors that want to use price and chase us out of Nigeria. So this is also another solid product I have gotten right here from Temu. Let me drop this on the ground. I also bought case for my phone. I also got case for my brother's phone. So this is also what you are seeing over here. These are the cases over here, right? So my brother uses a 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro, which I have made a review about, as you can see on your screen. I will upload the video already, and this is one of the case for it. This color is very beautiful, and it's definitely a very cool case, though it's not strong, right? This is just to protect your phone, but if your phone falls, trust me, it's going to have a crack with this case. So that is that for that. And this right here is his pouch for his S24 Plus. Yes, I also done a video about that, and he got the case for it, and this case is just very beautiful, right? His 16 Pro case also, this is it. And here is my case for my Samsung S23 Ultra, which I have also done a video about right here on my channel, and my iPhone 11 Pro over here. Yes, so this is the case for it, right? I guess I am missing out one more case. Yes. All right, this is it. This is also another case for my S23 Ultra. Oh, this is S23 Plus. I guess they kind of missed my order because I remember ordering this color for my S23 Ultra, but I can't find it here. Maybe they gave me an S23 Plus case for my S23 Ultra, which is now a mistake from their side. Wow, it's quite sad. So all this right here are kind of cleaning effect. I think maybe these are free packages from Temu because it's my first time ordering from them. Yes, so I guess it's like a free stuff because I don't remember getting all this. Like I see it says multi-effects full cleaning slice. I'll have to check after I shoot this video what it does. And this is kind of to clean my phone screen, my eyeglass, my camera lens, my laptop. Wow, man, Temu, thank you for all this. But I'm still wondering what I'm going to use this for. I'll just drop it here to see what's still in this box. All right, sorry. So this is the case I was talking about. this case I was talking about for my S23 Ultra, this is it right here. So I guess I kind of made a mistake. So everything is intact. All my orders are intact. This is right here. Yes. So, and it even came with this kind of holder for it. Like I said, guys, I know my table is messy, but don't mind me, please. I don't know what this is. So keep away from small children. I will have to check later, and I'm going to put it right here in the screen so that you can also know what this is, because I did not order this. More cleaning tools and more of this, I don't know. Right, so this is everything in my box, or sorry, in my wrapper from Temu. So I think from all this I've brought out right now, I think those people who usually get this, what I ordered versus what I got is, they don't really check the specification or the dimension of what they're ordering for. Because I've seen people order bicycle, right, and it comes with a small one, like a kind of a very small bicycle, and they're like complaining, Temu, I ordered a bicycle and this is what you're giving me. Come on, check the size, because it shows you the size, right? It shows you the size over there. And one other thing, so I saw like gold chains on Temu app, right? And I was seeing like around 1,000 naira. And I told myself, if I should get a chain 1,000 naira, I am 100% sure it cannot be a real gold chain. So this may be the case for you if you have been Temu'd before. Maybe you are ordering, let's say, like, for example, now a bicycle that they're selling a bicycle in the market over 100,000 naira. You are seeing it there 5,000 naira on Temu, and you're expecting to get the normal bicycle. Come on, these people are not magicians, right? They are also just rendering services where they give you what you're asking for. So ensure to check the dimension or probably the size depending on the product you're going for, right? Yes, check the size, and also be sure of the quality, because come on, like I talked about that gold chain, I was not going to expect anything spectacular if I were to order 1,000 naira gold chain. So let me just quickly open this last one right here, because I want to charge my watch, AirPod, my phone wirelessly. Sometimes it's just tiring to use my cord here. How will I open this thing now while I do? So I think for this one, once I bring it out, I will have to test it. That is after I'm done shooting this video, but I'm going to put it right here on your screen and let you know if it is really working, right? Yes, I will have to check it if it's really working and also let you know. Okay, so let me bring it out and see if this is going to be what I had in mind. There's nothing here again. So first of all, the feel is feeling light. While others felt like something very strong, this feels light. So I don't really know about this. I don't really know about this anymore. It's kind of I'm not sure of this, but let me just set it up and see what it is. I was actually thinking this was going to be a wireless charger, but guys, this one got me Temu'd. Or probably I did not look at the product very well, because it has all the adapter over here. This is for an iPhone, this is for Samsung, and this is for like the normal type A cord or type B. I don't know what it's called, right? I was hoping it was going to be like a wireless charger, just like I said even before I unboxed this, right? Over here also is the iPhone port. So come on, I'm kind of feeling bad now, but if I look here, I have seen that I got almost everything I ordered for very good, even though I thought it was going to be kind of maybe, right? So Temu tried. And guys, if you've ordered from Temu before, let me know in the comment section what you experienced. Did you get what you ordered for, or you were Temu'd? And let me know in the comment section, okay? And do not forget, guys, to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel and smash on the bell icon so that whenever I create more of all these videos for you guys, you'll be the first to get notified, okay? So I'll be seeing you in my next video as we discover the smart online tips.